Episode for higher GC News. Bima Uya Kwaba Hadia latest and hot news and Aramede Bremo. Enunti Sonya subscribe to channel idea Bomodia say will subscribe. They'll be on say will click a subscribe button na wabele notification where is a new video be upload when the first person I want sa ebeka ASA video afi uya na wa like video give us a thumbs up na afi share ma ofori so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo a ekoso ewo Ghana memu harom afi yehwe ye ensemo a abeto ye pono so yenti ye sankomo yenti sansemu ya ekoso yi mu yenti
me kwa koya de ama nipa sere ana me kwa koya de ama seventh franchise ye de history
okay
because me kwa koye ade ama me party ama Akufo Addo aban atumi akoranim
okay onu anoma support no e ma wo regret wo action na
me action no although regretted because me were busia me were here me woma they were affected by what happened on social media and all these things, but I never regret doing that for my party and I will never regret it.
I won't regret it.
Oh, they be regret.
How say ebia ede wo manu koto asemu but enu hu pa de we no
na make catch no me and make say
I know
there's two different things. Say me me family free me na for free me abusu free mo. What I did was not wrong. Now
so wunya chance say bisi bia will you do that again?
So person would say enu asia enu answer no be free say ma anya we ama me ho me ye ma hwan Akufo Addo but Akufo Addo me ye ma no kra no appreciate it. That is why I won't do it again.
Okay,
so what you say me ye bibi say and an kaso CD say ba bi anwini and an Kenya NPP ni e be see because speaker no kwa to the 10 parliamentarians speaker no kwa
okay
it is a 137 not the speaker e go do side that parliament is on your side.
All right,
and then I would to me a whole country budget was about bogu can you ma to in parliament up to this stage say you say bagui and a speaker and MPP ni anka say we would have moved smoothly and this election would have been won by us easily, but and then Mahama Kwabena Agyapong was retaining. She's what I say, or can be or boy and NDC winning here because of what they did to us in Parliament. Akufo Addo maybe ye man, no, we didn't see it.
So I say and Kabagni, so I fair
speaker. How fair can you be?
NDC for no crown so abonechi. No monsoon in enya
and who is speaker, you do the bidding of the sitting government because one. Parliament when I'm buying a coso. I near my
constitution in a canisa and answer more politics in an
the constitution. And Asante Bediatuo or say it's not in the bosom of parliament to determine how the country is developed or run. And you are buying a share by the running country or the parliament. You don't have any business but to reject it. Let it go on.
And your crowd because judiciary jina. There were 3 arms of government. Judiciary jina, parliament jina. And aban executive ni sujina nti se okasa we speaker na se se we bidding of government nti se say emra na kana say the politics within the politics
and the politics within politics identity and sitting government and sitting president no and abuasaleti speaker because una obama tie ya to abama president bi ya to abama government bi abana to man ya say on financial share power be develop kwe emra nti ye growing nation as I say everything that he thinks is okay by us. Next 4 years, it will be nothing. It is when next speaker about one sir and your man of person and anymore. Yeah, how do you reconcile this?
Kasenka Parliament needs to be independent now. As a check on the executive.
How do you become independent? Tell me how a parliament can become independent when it's not in your bosom to determine how the programs of the country is run. And yet parliament is say about
you approve the executive.
Executive that is why we call it government business.
Okay.
And the leader of the house is the one that runs the government business. Every day, or not the cabinet, in the way we are, or the aba, or the back table office, or the speaker dream home, okay, when I'm the what about 2 more? We don't have any business to reject what they want or what the sitting government wants to take ahead.
Then that would be like a rubber stamp pad.
Why do we have this system? We have it because every time we are enter one tower, any maintain what's in the Bekoso. Share parliament. This is one of the worst, and I said the worst parliament, if you ask me, in the 4th Republic. Why? Because of everything that has gone on. Share if we say NDC for started some year and to Kwane maintain was in a day, we will not be able to do anything at all in parliament. No law, free SHS. I see any law, Ediaba. Oma ya yentumi pass that law no. There's so many things that couldn't pass. Why? Because the speaker who is sitting in the seat is not for the government. And the number be obeya obetri government saying. And that is what has happened. Na se me ye and anka obukura me ye mo benefit no ehu ye. Ebo mabaso na se omo mabaso kura omo recognize ya. Ebia kenye se baby edri enya kwakodro.
Se na ka se bebo mpu ni mpu ye ntumi ambo ene no chire ye mu.
Oh na se ma chire mo ya na me sa chire mbio no.
You have the time. Na enso emusa o question we do host ni.
Edi kan. Edi kan me kutu ade bia. One of the wise words of America, black activists here issued to the
Martin Luther King Jr.
Martin Luther Jr. Or say if a man cannot identify something that he can die for, he has no reason to live. I don't know if a man cannot identify something that he would die for or he can die for, you have no reason to live. Good, and I can die for MPP. Now I'll take the point from here. Why are they? Yeah, Saturday on the 7th of January 2021.
Yeah.
You saw a fat, big stomach man running with snatched papers.
Hey, Ofakaniji, Mempebrofo.
Papa Bia,
and Papa
ballot papers or to America.
Okay.
A lot of people in Ghana for many people thought it was funny. Yes, what is say funny because when you're a member of the MPP.
Okay.
Memum say we MPP ni mapa. Na MPP da wakoma so. Na won pese yebesi MPP a. Ni si ye no. Yebesi wo wakwem. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Who say agrobi another Ghana for was agrobi and access parliament. And then to Kwabena parliament. I saw it.
Yeah, mommy, you want to send Tokwa and ya.
I didn't talk. Send me coffee ballot paper. We need to make Mutakadi Mechi. Your friend say,
okay, so quick one. Joseph or Henry Ben said, "Debi opiso obisa say paper no ore o many ya now."
Kajala say paper not knows much man. Don't you have to
okay.
Yes, so you know much man. I say don't get here. And also me number goose.
Oh really? Oh,
and I'm worried. Me amenia me so to cook man.
Radio.
Me amenia say me get here. Everybody do be agree. But I fine. It's politics.
Ba wan
yeah, the message those person. Man the tino.
Into moan.
Me moan na me ko to gui.
Okay.
Tio, me moan me dem me go do. Chairman entrance and I'm to gui.
Okay.
But then I pack it Kojo bebre ho. In terms of ye no. No mo hu bi o ka tu obo. So mo chance obo ze go.
Okay.
Good. But me kaba. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
No mo who say I grow because of parliament and to go because of parliament. I didn't see it like that.
Okay.
That night I saw loyalty. I saw dedication. I saw commitment.
On my part.
On my side.
Of an hour, I come for.
That's how one come. What are yesterday? But me also been chim. What you didn't mention.
Yes, sir.
Because a bear day. Bear say me a bear my sabita fracture. Mrs. You be lose business me. And I want to be home because who a friends who for
okay.
Now you better as members of parliament. Yakwako didn't show from 169 about 137. Almost 137. At least you are lucky. I'm a nipa back where your independence or the caucus. They 138. If you got 12 by 138. Why you make from me fear, my bush afford me in a man's chain. I'd rather go to hotel for 1 week. Just because 1% will be everything infiltrating or dilute to MPP before I got to Abanaji. Nasa dana so you go do on more. Nani pam you know in tem et we are go dear now. The match ni see ye dano ye free hotel ho eko a friend say chamber ho na me ne ken and the take bus in the same seat so in fact Kweku Annan say ye ko na se pasara gidigbi esi on there he's not going to be involved.
Kennedy Agyapong.
Yes. But it will be for say I will make sure say I don't even get involved in anything like that. But yeah, you got trust here from the start. And and this what we so much prepared for any confrontation, any basabasaye, any entokobi BCBA. Baby, I don't in Parliament. No matter what now. You go kai almost almost sorry. And the leadership is okay. What I just say, when we go to double. That's the way we are. Ebeza go train double, and ebe train double. I say not.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Hey, and tokwa. Omo ko bro. Clerk of Parliament.
Okay.
And marshals no be guide no. And also tiko ya say on train baby no on train ba. So baby maybe am win because on basa any gidi on the bank. Ya go to abe. Sebita Francis say in parliamentary system.
That's a good one, Prince. No,
no money baba. When parliamentary system no. Yeah. You will be afraid of whip system.
In I don't know how they go.
Rollins say Abonbeka wa.
No,
Prince and the say
any problem.
We are not able to name say we answer. Can you ask or find out from one about him who advised him to do that?
Nobody advised me to do it, but it's a conviction in me. Oh, question me a answer. It's a conviction in me that made me do that.
Okay, I feel got to yes, of
but in every parliamentary system, or whip system, the whips are supposed to ensure say everybody does what they do in line.
I say you know yeah, koseya.
I say we party and you know say you can see a two about for say as soon as we whip aware. You can say you Kwaku Annan as soon as what you whip. That is what we call the whip. Like I was saying. And you go on 2 deputies. Yeah, and this was
also no news matter.
Oh, Mr. Nosman, and I said, you started also company.
Okay.
Now, Omochiche, we can say you get to slow my instructions. Now, already, in fact, Ghana politics over quite cheap.
Papa.
Because we're being Namefantunche. I don't think, Madam. You started your tour about 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, Muntaka say, Obi di Achere.
Hey, offer hold on. I said Muntaka ball.
I
because of two and one thing. Apart from on no be amo. Okay.
Immediately.
Okay. All right.
You will later fine.
Oh, so they offer you permission now go free.
Permission free. First time Muntaka stop you on of ballot box on the papers in
okay.
Say will be the achere. Nobody achere. That is the reason for the whipping system. Nobody in your mind. And you could share in a good yes, I'm starting for fraud.
Okay.
Second time, and then some judge you Agulakwa. You Mudiache, and you butu ballot cabinet near the near to butu in a good form. I hope the prince be here and also Ediaba.
Okay.
Say we immediate and Pajo.
Okay.
Butu in a good form. Obon penny be go be actually. No, Mutaka Tambalo box no.
You could to name
a friend Sam George.
Sam George. Okay.
No Mutaka at Tam paper and a John Lapo.
Okay.
No at Tam box the actual woman not the court. Near Hokania took near year from Yabasamba started for. You started 3 times. And the third one, and a leadership in the conclave. And I could decide on say, okay, on by say, Mopamacho, you and penny for you say. And they now have your conclave, cut like a phone, it's some conclave. The parliamentarians got conclave. There's a penny for the Kwakushia. Okay. So Mukushia could go Shia Kukum. And we said, almost one print, it was a question of one primobian venture. And to penny for Banom say, ne Ecosono, Yahu in Vida. Okay. And to know, you know, you ni konkotuma MPP you say any problem mo bi amfa chire bio e ho na menya then there's something going on
aden
because na oma compromising mu bi and nkofo na akacho le se mo betumi protect omni mu bi akasa in so mo betumi protecting from not showing there yeah they be any person ya mamo and they did everything under the sun to ensure say omo protect not showing no
okay
and make oh do you jina east Amejina West.
Okay.
Friend say,
and no more madam no security.
And I said you get to stop gallery or face and direct.
And no I.
Only some the community some Mr. That no intelligence was just too good.
Okay.
The way they control themselves was just too perfect. They had planned.
Okay. Now Gina question I would can be say no. Now me put this question to you say a day in the bema party for mon dina mo party di mo na mo pray MP akonwa no akoduru mra hye na fe ubeto aba e de atia enipa ye se mon toma no nye speaker
A very good question. Yeah. Sabe yenyina ye mpanimfo yenkwala se nyame aye adom na se Ghana fo ato aba menya kwakudu bebia ko party bi ayi so de but nipa bia se wonu se nipa bi ani obi e wo twaka mi anazo ni twaka kura wo hwem se osumasi abeni ba na so ono obi e gina yi ana ni nyina ko gina se president wo ye wadwe se oba beyi speaker mayen ye wo ho ana Supreme Court judges bi dey kura ni e be kasa say oh they have been considered for that position.
Okay.
Na on person me be kasa ka chese eba ya yen consider.
So mudin ba apa.
Obdi ba yen consider.
Say ba ko anan dimba.
Me una ni na ho bi.
Thank you.
Oh, are you go to a friend ni e kasa?
Okay.
Chese ni enim say because everybody in the media me need choice. Okay. Before the president choice should be my choice. I don't have a problem. But president himself was aware say nipa na no de ni ato no so no na nipa ba ko bi no ensem we mu a na entwe yi
na omompe na asema na
omompe na asema ono mo rift
okay
omo ne no make us no pi wo ko do be no ya rift but we mu ene ne no rift
okay nkuma no ne
ono wenchu kakra and no should have told you immediately said look at our numbers no men try so did the baby and so you kind
na mo kachere no
auntie you kind it fell on deaf ears and me knew they can tree
one say you kind of fofra and
say the president here
you person you can na ya dey
me ka say yempo me ka say ya na say nyina ne kai me man ka bi makokwe ojina 100 times to 100 times
okay
but the fact say nipa bi ma president here say so the pay ba say ni be see party leadership bonamanie and Kwafo catcher do not say
leadership of parliament then a catcher
osisi na so ono na fufuo bi egum e bonamanie osisi na so knowing perfectly well as the president knowing perfectly well say the numbers need encouraging you cannot be in the box with everybody say Kwaku Annan but you still went ahead with what you wanted to do certain things to do ya e move so be say neighbor. But me
afterwards no mu to aba no etia
up to now you hu ye
okay
he between the adwe keke na ebu and I would trust the adwe bu obi ad na adwe ebu bi say ye no kure say ye no kure yenim na ye secret ballot into be no Kwaku hunu me de binyanya nka di bakro mra out ne meka say me na me yes because of we obi ant we who because you did what you have to do because you thought say it was me na nka meka
okay
me nyam ya bia say be to so ade am ne we be see idia.
Thank you.
Your praise ya Kwaku to aso ato no. Ena ya to aba wi. Ya to aba ne wi ye no. Ena omko wo so nim say. Wo to aba wi in every police station. First, you separate.
Yes.
MPP gua, NDC gua. To separate no munya one reject.
Okay.
Ono to ma omi no nyina. Do ne reject. So what shada
MP awaye confused
was for nya
confused o be so amano
otumo mi enu nyina nti odo ye reject and MPP dey go na NDC dey go and status here kai luckily the kai MPP dey first me gina chiri after we say kai no instead of 138 no ye we MPP dey na 136 ti musa no butakai na say actually nkrofon o maboji so yi
afa sana wo hu no say afa Okay.
Then is a fact. Woman, you're 2. Muntaka was expecting 5.
I pick you all.
I'm not picking.
Now Muntaka was expecting 5.
And then,
Muntaka was expecting 5.
I'm just interested in the narration.
Muntaka was expecting 5. It was saying, Excellent say, 2 more. 2. How many 2 into 3 more? There be only 2 aside of we know. I'm not 107. On the 2 107. 2 no F with Trimudiana say, oh my winning.
Okay.
It almost started budget so.
Okay.
And I'm a coin when I'm a coach, catch a James. I was a leader into a transit. I'm a Akufo Addo aban so.
Okay.
And this in your base.
Prince Fasa video ni braba kan nti uko hono etana uko na man.
Because as well Kojo Kyeremanteng. All them say no marks.
We thought to say uko catch onu mo mu frɛ o say Carlos kona koye.
Oba no aka visa che me. O to be suma me and I mean here the permission.
All right.
But because say oba ye leader.
Okay.
E wa ha. Na Akufo Addo aban so. NDC ni aba be ye speaker na. Ono se Carlos train.
Nti we leader then honorable Chief was na she blue ti hono. And I also wash up coffee brown no face mask.
No be jam one put the jam in chain.
Man me as you
Yeah, very.
One ka
no video na possible play obi no.
Prince who play I be hu di pa.
Enye Praise God here dey.
Oh yes Kweku Annan my man.
Oh ye nua ba ko free not. Oh ba ko free not. Yes.
Nti ya ha no na who catch you say o be.
O be support table no so.
Okay.
Others say Carlos. No. So what China say you can't ballot ni we are the elections have been established and you can't do anything about it.
Okay.
So if you do something do it now.
And no can danger.
And also Carlos we training train. Na me say ben train.
Okay.
So that is when I moved from him and I took the papers from the clerk and I rushed up. And I threw it away. You see, the idea was a miss say about
going on at the time. No, then I never
make sure we get it here. I said 3 times there. At least Miss Sennis is to be will be able to ensure say will be avoided the exercise.
Of a matter was you, but a hacker crown say, I won't say leader tap you union and say sorry if you
no, I'm not blocking so okay.
I'm sorry one now. No, I'm asking.
No, so who and that quite blocking. Me answer about kakra no person obeti.
Oh, okay.
It can be true because I want to baby and I'm going
oh, I blocking.
And you want to Carlos fire.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to Carlos
okay.
So good.
All right.
You require me to call them to go here and
Hanunka offer supporter and come out to
when the man moji as we free menum. When I mean because you see you no say Gabby no parliament boa me dan no. And can you say Kenya?
And now come on, our Kwabena so.
You know, say because Omono, and I make us say, Prince Bayi videos that canoa.
Prince Mr. Share, it's only
so, but you saw videos now canoa. Ube when you make one seven.
Okay.
Because it was as if say NDC had a day, and now Bama be any MPP, and they could go ahead and do what they want to do. Men so me feel say, Akufo Addo abemu, so the NDC name be speaker. Problem be no. A bit too much. Now I wish I could me messages I made a call out after not work everything what I wrote in is what happened in Ghana. Because the Speaker of Parliament says only a side, was never going to be in favor of whatever we do and to affect us. And we started losing the election of 2024 from that day when we allowed Babi to become the Speaker of Akufo Addo's government. Now me call for I no call Parliament. Me nwa me no to so mo temasia na so huni me ko ya de so me nwa no be ba ko bi no miensa bi edi hu komo so nua time on beka say me enfa nkyere me ka je say me suspect bibi
okay
say in case ye koto na se bi nu e bi short ye di dwoa mo me so ye sell ye santo foforo am mo gitu mu
o nti ye o ko na oni o makanda because kan beka say no mo ni mo mbe de
asa makanda but unfortunately when the act happened they didn't get up, they didn't come because they had their own issue. So and no enema McGinn say you know do for people no and the same obia wo baby a ogina say kamenya nipa bia kom dreams am anom tese mia say you empresa mo sisi emiensa yes you be sisi baako na enya sa akoto aba ne bi wo a and very different and so anko the way is called no enti man ko say me kwa koya de ma nipa sere ana me kwa koya de ama Senator Franche ye their history
Okay.
Because me kwakoye adiama me party am Akufo Addo aban atumi akorenim.
Okay. Unu anu man support no e ma wo regret wo action na.
Me action no although regretted because me were busia, me were here, me were they were affected by what happened on social media and all these things. But I never regret doing that for my party. And I will never regret it.
I won't regret it.
Oh, they be regret.
How say ebia ede wo manu koto asemu but enu hu pa de we no.
Na make catch no make and make say
I know
there's two different things. Say me family free me na for free me abusu free mo. What I did was not wrong. Now
so wunya chance ya say bisi bia will you do that again?
So person would say enu asia enu answer no be free say ma anya we ama me ho me ye ma hwan Akufo Addo. But the Akufo Addo me man no appreciate it. That is why I won't do it again.
Okay.
So what you say me ye bibi say and an kaso CD say ba bi enwini and an Kenya NPP ni e be see because speaker no kwa to 10 parliamentarians. Speaker no kwa.
Okay.
It is a 137. Now the speaker e go do on side that. Parliament is on their side.
All right.
And then I would to me a whole country budget was about bogu. Can you to in parliament up to this stage? Say yes say Bagui and a speaker and MPP near and say we would have moved smoothly and this election would have been won by us easily. But she and name Mama Kwabena Agyapong was retaining. She has more say or can be or boy and NDC winning here because of what they did to us in parliament. Akufo Addo maybe ye man no he didn't see it.
So I can say en kabagni so I fair
speaker. How fair can you be?
NDC for no crown so abonechi no monso ni nanya wechi
who is speaker you do the bidding of the sitting government because wona parliament wana moboa ama ba ne koso aniema ba ne
constitution in a canisa na say momo politics in na mo
the constitution Asante Bediatuo wante or say it's not in the bosom of parliament to determine how the country is developed or run. And you are buying on the by the run country or the parliament. You don't have any business but to reject it. Let it go on.
Because judiciary there were 3 arms of government. Judiciary parliament and aban executive nisujina. It is okasa we speaker now is a we bidding of government. In terms of emrane can say the politics within the politics.
And the politics within politics. Identity and a sitting government and sitting president no and a Boakye speaker. Because one Obama got ya two about my president be ya two my government be. Abana to man say on financial share power be develop create emra. And ye growing nation as I say everything that he thinks is okay by us. Next 4 years, it will be an attain. It is when next speaker about one sir and your man of us or yeah. How do you reconcile this?
Parliament needs to be independent now. As a check on the executive.
How do you become independent? Tell me how a parliament can become independent when it's not in your bosom to determine how the programs of the country is run. And yet parliament day is about
you approve the executive.
Executive that is why we call it government business.
Okay.
And the leader of the house is the one that runs the government business. Every day, or not the cabinet, in the way we are, or the aba, or the back table office, or the speaker's room, okay, when I'm the what about 2 more? We don't have any business to reject what they want or what the sitting government wants to take ahead.
Then that would be like a rubber stamp pad.
Why do we have this system? We have it because every time we are enter one tower, any maintain what's in the Bekoso. Share parliament. This is one of the worst, and I say the worst parliament, if you ask me, in the 4th Republic. Why? Because of everything that has gone on. Share. If we say NDC for started some year and to Kwane maintain was in a day, we will not be able to do anything at all in parliament. No law, free SHS. I see any law, Ediaba. Law. There's so many things that couldn't pass. Why? Because the speaker who is sitting in the seat is not for the government. And that is what has happened. And benefiting
thank you.
You waiting for winning and someone abeto yepono so because so we can subscribe to channel idea but more than say subscribe we say hadia latest and hot news and kwa era me de bro I think we are like video no give us a thumbs up not fi share ma oforo so na we be here na wo hu someone ekoso e wo Ghana me mu harum also betimi atchere wadwen afa yen sanwe nyira ho ewo comment box ni mu obati minka biom in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.